Hello and welcome to another update video about Cardano ADA. Also similar situation to what Bitcoin and Ethereum are doing, with the exception that we are sitting between basically two scenarios here. Some coins are doing that at the moment. For example, we've got AVAX in a similar situation. And yeah, in this situation, we've got the small issue that we don't really know if we already are in a wave 2 or if we are in a wave 4 still. If we wanted to align it to what Bitcoin and Ethereum are doing, then we would have to say that it is still in a wave 4 and that we had here an A wave down, an overshooting B wave, and we're now coming down in C or WXY, which is possible because if we count a WXY here, all it needs now is just one more leg down and you've got your ABC of the Y wave. So that's a little bit uncertain, and therefore I gave you here the key support area at 29.2, 29.3 cents, because if we drop below that level, then we have to assume we are actually in a wave 2. In both scenarios, it currently looks like as if we are still going to go down a bit lower. That's also what I would expect for Bitcoin and Ethereum, that this correction, if it is a wave 4 or a wave 2, that this correction isn't over yet. So as I explained in other videos as well, there are so many different types of corrections that in the Elliott wave portfolio, I want to say, or in the Elliott wave library, that you don't really know what kind of correction is going to build here. I think it's key to understand that it is a correction. It looks messy, it looks choppy, it has corrective characteristics. Yeah, this move up, didn't like it from the beginning. Looks very much corrective. Yeah, you could get away with counting it as a 5-wave move, but it's not reliable. And then here the triangle as well, you know, can be a B wave normally. And the way we come down now, it's just following Bitcoin Ethereum in the micro or nano scale here. And it could be that in the C wave, or let me just yeah, so we had A, B, C. I'm just thinking, just to align it really with Bitcoin, Ethereum, we would have in the Y wave another WXY. That's possible, WXY. The X wave was a triangle. And then we have, so like that. And then we had in the Y wave, we've got here an A wave, a B wave currently to the upside, and would then get another C wave down. That's sort of, then we've got the count aligned with Bitcoin, Ethereum, absolutely valid count. This B wave could become, as I said in the Bitcoin and Ethereum video, it could become an overshooting B wave. Don't underestimate B waves, they can move up a lot, but if we say we have here a zigzag pattern maybe, which is maybe in this instance here the more common one, especially as the move down looks quite impulsive, but then again, that can sometimes be deceptive, especially on those lower time frames here. But the move up currently looks corrective. So I would not be surprised if very shortly we come down. But if it's a B wave, it can rally quite a bit. So if it's a B wave, it could certainly, first of all, get all the way up to 34.8 cents. That's sort of the 78.6% FIB level. If it goes above that, even then we couldn't really rule out that it's a B wave, because a B wave can be a so-called overshooting B wave. And it would then be a flat pattern here. Yeah, could be. But first of all, let's establish if this here was an A wave down, certainly possibility, then the move up, yes, is a B wave. And then within the B wave, we had here probably an A wave, another B wave, and a C wave. I'm going to change the color for that now. And let's try to calculate targets here for the C wave. The C wave is probably unfolding as an ending diagonal. Oh, it's another WXY, which I don't hope. It will just get very, very messy and super corrective and choppy. But if we calculate possible targets here by taking the length of the A wave, so we're looking basically at the internals. So interestingly, here ADA has already reached, or the C wave has already reached the 1-to-1 ratio. It doesn't need to go any higher. Bitcoin, Ethereum haven't even reached that. So we've got here a range that is likely for this C wave of B between the 1-to-1 ratio and the 1.618 extension. So I wouldn't be surprised to even go to the 1.618 extension at 35.26 cents. That's if you look at the internals here, but it already got rejected at the 1-to-1 ratio. So if we now maintain yesterday's high and don't get above it, 34.12 cents, and also break below that swing low here at 33.4, it's very likely that the C wave here is already complete. Doesn't need to be. Yeah, not yet. We don't have confirmation yet. We only have an initial reaction, but it's starting to look interesting, especially as we got rejected and made another lower low afterwards. So it could be a sign that we are heading down now in the wave C of Y. So certainly something to observe, but the move up doesn't look impulsive at all. Now it could always be some kind of a leading diagonal if we say, okay, maybe this correction is already over, but then that cannot be the preferred outcome at the moment, given what Bitcoin and Ethereum are doing and given how choppy this move to the upside is. So if I'm speculating this could be a leading diagonal, I need proof first. I don't have any proof or evidence. We haven't even broken above that yellow wave X high yet. And then to keep it very simple, as long as we're holding the 29.3 cent or 29.3 cent level in place here, the green support area, this could all just be a fourth wave. So we just need to observe that. And either way, whatever wave it is, as long as we're holding that support level, we can focus on higher. If we break below it, then we have some clarity. Then we know this is probably already the wave 2 correction. We'll face a deeper correction. But yeah, this is sort of where we are. Ideally, to get confidence in a more bullish outcome here generally, that we're maybe already turning around from the bear market into a bull market, I need a clear fifth wave. It would be ideal. Then at least I'll have more confidence that the upcoming correction will hold a higher low, which we could scale in. Always knowing it doesn't need to be a 1-2, it could just be an A, B, and then a C up, but then at least we can trade the C wave to the upside. Okay, and that's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.